Hi, welcome to our channel. Our channel provides refinery mechanical maintenance videos focused on both static and rotating equipments. Today, I will be discussing rotating equipment. Rotating equipments plays a crucial role in refinery operations. The main type of rotating equipment used in refinery include pumps, blowers, compressor, steam turbine, gas turbine, and fans. The machines are designed and maintained according to established standard. Most refineries follow API, American Petroleum Institute standards, as they are specifically developed for hazardous and controlled environmental like refineries. However, both API and non-API pumps are used in the industry. Still, the majority of the pump in refineries comply with API standards due to the safety and performance requirements in these critical areas. In this video, I will be sharing some detail about the relevant API standards for rotating equipments. First, pump. The centrifugal pumps for petroleum, petrochemical, natural gas industries code API 610. Positive displacement pumps reciprocating code API 674. Positive displacement pumps rotary code API 676. Sealless centrifugal pumps for petroleum and chemical service code API 685. Blowers. Special purpose blowers for refinery service code API 673. Package integrally geared centrifugal air compressor for petroleum, chemical and gas industries code API 672. For positive displacement blowers, API 619 or API 672 may be referenced based on blower design. Compressors. Axial and centrifugal compressors and expander compressors code API 617. Reciprocating compressors for petroleum, chemical and gas industry services code API 618. Rotary type positive displacement compressors for petroleum, petrochemical and natural gas industries code API 619. Steam turbine. General purpose steam turbines for petroleum, chemicals and gas industry service code API 612. General purpose steam turbines for refinery service code API 611. Gas turbines. Gas turbine for petroleum, chemical and gas industry service code API 616. Dry gas seals system for axial, centrifugal and rotary compressors code API 692. Thank you.